Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a UK work permit visa. First, you need to confirm your eligibility for a specific visa category. This usually means having a job offer from a UK employer who holds a sponsor license. It's crucial to understand which visa route, such as the skilled worker visa, applies to your unique situation before proceeding. This initial step ensures you're on the right path. Next, focus on gathering all your essential documents. You'll need a valid passport and a certificate of sponsorship from your employer. Don't forget proof of funds to support yourself, along with any academic qualifications relevant to your job. Depending on your country, you might also need tuberculosis test results. Having everything organized saves time and prevents delays. Now, it's time to submit your application. Carefully complete the online form, ensuring all information is accurate. You'll need to pay the visa application fee and the immigration health surcharge as part of this process. After that, book and attend your biometric appointment at a designated visa application center. This step is vital for fingerprinting and a photograph. After submitting your application, you can track its status online using your unique reference number. It's important to be prepared, as the Home Office might request additional information or documents. Finally, you will await the decision on your UK work permit visa application. This waiting period can vary, but staying informed is key. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.